नमस्कार मुलांनो, कसे आहात? मजेत, छान असणारच, कारण घरी आहात ना. पण एक वास्तव मला जाणवतं, कदाचित काही मुलांमध्ये सत्य असेल, काही मुलांच्यासाठी असत्य असेल, पण आज मला जे वास्तव जाणवलं त्याच्यावरून मी तुम्हाला बोलतोय. त्याचा निष्कर्ष मी काढलेला आहे. तुमच्या अभ्यासासाठी शिक्षक जेवढा त्रास घेत आहेत तेवढाच किंबहुना त्यापेक्षा जास्त तुम्ही करणं गरजेचं आहे. परीक्षा तुम्हाला द्यायच्या आहे, शिक्षकांना नाही वळणं. म्हणून तुम्ही दररोजचे आलेले व्हिडिओ ते पाहिले पाहिजेत, त्याची रिव्हिजन केली पाहिजे आणि थोडंसं सिन्सिअर असलं पाहिजे. मला म्हणायचं नाही की तुम्ही ताणतणाव अभ्यासाचा घ्यावा. अगदी मजेत हसत खेळत 24 तास आपल्याला काम आहे काय. म्हणून थोडासा वेळ अभ्यासासाठी जर दिला आपण तर तुम्हाला जे व्हिडिओ प्राप्त होत आहेत ते व्हिडिओ बघा, टेक्स्टबुक बघा, स्वयं अध्ययन करण्याकडे कल द्या आणि याच्यातूनही जर काही समजलं नसेल विचारा ना आम्हाला. आम्ही तुमच्यासाठी आहोत. प्रत्येक शिक्षक खंबीरपणे तुमच्या पाठीमागे उभा आहे, त्यामुळे चिंता करण्याचं कारण नाही. पण तुम्ही थोडंसं लक्ष देऊन तुम्ही त्याच्यामध्ये जीव ओतला पाहिजे आणि मनापासून केलं पाहिजे, तर तुमची गुणवत्ता अजिबात कमी होणार नाही, याच्यावर माझी खात्री आहे. कम टू द पॉइंट. टुडेज मॅथ्स पिरियड वी आर गोइंग टू सी मॅथ्स 1 चॅप्टर नंबर 5 probability. In last period we have seen the sample space. That is the last article in last period. How to write sample space? Sample space means the set of possible outcomes of random experiment. One example, I think you are already write these all examples based on sample space on page number 117. Again I am revise this. 2 coins are tossed. If one coin is tossed, head and tail turns up. Second coin will be tossed, then again head and tail turn up. Now 2 coins are tossed at a time, or one coin tossed 2 times. Sample space will be same. Listen what is I am telling you. Listen what is I am telling you. If 2 coins are tossed 1 time and 1 coin is tossed 2 times, sample space, sample points are same. एक कॉइन 2 वेळेला टॉस केला किंवा 2 कॉइन एकाच वेळेला टॉस केले तर सॅम्पल पॉइंट्स आर सेम. नाउ हियर इफ वन कॉइन इज टॉस, हेड ऑन टेल टर्न्स अप. सेकंड कॉइन विल बी टॉस्ड, हेड एंड टेल टर्न्स अप. बट हियर 2 coins are tossed. Here we write HH. This is first sample point. HT, TH and TT. This is the magic type of how to write the sample space. Very easy. Start from this HH and HT. These are 2 sample points. Then from TH, TT. These are 2 sample. These are the 2 sample points. And total number of sample points 1, 2, 3 and 4. N of S is 4. Already you have written on, you have complete this on from page number 117. On the basis of sample space, we are going to solve. How to solve practice set 5.2. Now again open your textbook and open practice set 5.2. All these examples are based on sample space. Practice set 5.2. Write down. Question number 1. Write sample space S and sample points. Sample space is denoted by S or omega. And sample points. in the term of n of s. Example number 1, 1 coin and 1 die. One coin and one die thrown simultaneously. One coin and one die. If we toss one coin, head and tail turns up. And if we throw one die, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then here we have to write sample space. Both of these. Sample space S is equal to. What's our idea how to write sample space? 1H, 2H, 3H, 4H, 5H, 6H. Now for T, 1T, 2T, 3T, 4T, 5T and 6T. Enough. 1H, 2H, 3H, 4H, 5H, 6H. Then for T, 1T, 2T, 3T, 4T, 5T, 6T. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. N of S is equal to 12. How many sample points are there? 12 sample points are there. This is for, see how easy examples are here. Then second one, 2-digit numbers are formed. Using digits using digits 2, 3 and 5 without repeating a digit. Without repeating a digit. We have to write only sample space. Now see, 2-digit numbers are formed. We have to form here 2-digit numbers. How? Using digits with the help of 2, 3 and 5. But one important condition, without repeating a digits. Again there is one idea. How we can write? See here, 2, 3, 5. These are the 3 numbers. And we have to form 2-digit numbers. 2, 3 means 23. 2, 5. Then from start 3, 3, 2. 3, 5. Then start from 5, 5, 2. And 5, 3. But see here, 2, 3, 2, 5, 3, 2, 3, 3. But 3, 3 is repeating numbers and here is condition without repeating digits. Means we can't write here 22, 33 and 55 because these numbers are repeating and here condition is without repeating digits. That means 2, 3, 2, 5, 3, 2, 3, 5, 5, 3, 5, 2 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number of sample points are 6. So many easy examples are in practice set 5.2. Now we are going to see second question. Any problem in this? Very easy examples are here. We have to write only sample space and number of sample points are there. The arrow is rotated. Write down. Is rotated and it's stopped randomly. It's stopped randomly on the disc. Find out on which color it may stop. The disc is already given. This is one type of circle. Red, purple, green. Blue, yellow, and orange. Suppose this is arrow. Now again read the question. What is given? The arrow is rotated and it's stopped randomly. This words is very important for writing the sample space. Randomly on the disc. Find out on which color it may be stopped. How many colors are there? See here, red, purple, green, blue, yellow and orange. On each time the arrow will stop on each color. One by one. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All these colors are in sample space. Right from red, purple, green, blue, yellow and orange. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. N of S is equal to 6. Very easy. And now our next article or next point. Next article or next point after the sample space is event. You know how to write sample space now. Now we are going to see the event. A set of favorable outcomes. A set of favorable outcomes of a given sample space. Of a given sample space is an event. Is an event. Event is subset of sample space. Next line. Event is subset of sample space. And it is denoted by capital letters. A, B, C, like etc. See the meaning? Event means a set of favorable outcomes of a given sample space is an event. Event is a subset of sample space and it is denoted by capital letter A, B, C, D. This is the meaning or this is definition of event. If we can write the event and we can write the sample space, then we can find the probability. Our next point is probability. But before that, we are going to see how to write event. Write definition this one. For example, one die is thrown. Event A is even number. Event B is prime numbers. First we have to write sample space and then event can be written in set form. One die is thrown, sample space S is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One die is thrown, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is the sample space. Event A is getting even number. Event A is getting only even number. Means capital A is equal to even number from our sample space. Which are the even numbers? 2, 4 and 6. Means this is a subset of sample space. All these numbers are included in the sample space. Therefore, each and every event is subset of sample space. Event B is prime number. Event B is getting only prime numbers. B is equal to, in bracket, we have to write event in set form, and you know the set form means in curly bracket. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are the numbers in sample space. Which are the prime number? So many students doesn't know which are the prime number from this. 1 is prime number or not. So many students are confused in prime number. 1 is prime number or not. According to definition of prime number, 1 is not a prime number. And therefore, first prime number is 2, 3 and 5 are these prime number. 2, 3, 5, 6 not prime number and 4 is also not prime number. And here also n of B is equal to 3, n of E is equal to 3 and n of S is equal to 6, n of A is equal to 3 and n of B is equal to 3. This is the event. And on the basis of the event and sample space, we can solve practice set 5.3. Write down this, and now we are going to see practice set 5.3. Good night, Kanikar. Practice set 5.3, question number 1. Write sample space Write down question, sample points. Means n of s. Also write event. Events A, B, C in set form and write n of A, n of B and n of C. One example, one die is rolled. Write yourself, S is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. N of S is equal to 6. Event A. Event A. Even number on the upper face. Even number on the upper face. A is equal to, write only even number 2, 4 and 6. You know all these are even number and n of A is equal to 3. Then event B. What is event B? Odd numbers on the upper face. Odd number on the upper face. Then B is equal to in bracket. Which are odd numbers? 1, 3 and 5. N of B is equal to 3. Then third event, event C, prime number on the upper face. C is equal to, again we know which are the prime numbers, 2, 3 and 5, 2, 3, 5 are the prime number. N of C is equal to 3. This is the first question. Okay? Any problem? No. Now second question. Two dice are rolled simultaneously. Two dice are rolled simultaneously. S is equal to sample space. How to write sample space? Here two dice are thrown, two dice are rolled at a time. Means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See the idea? Very easy. How we can write if two dice are thrown or rolled simultaneously. One die rolled 2 times or 2 dice are rolled at a time, sample space will be same. If one die is thrown, then 1 to 6. Second die will be thrown, then 1 to 6. And here 2 dice are rolled. Means our idea, remember which is our idea? 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 1 6. Now from 2, 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 2 4, 2 5, 2 6. Now from 3, 3 1, 3 2, 3 3, 3 4, 3 5, 3 6. Now from 4, what we can write? 4 1, 4 2, 4 3, 4 4, 4 5, 4 6. Now can you tell me from 5? Tapasvi, can you tell me? Yes, very good. 5 1, 5 2, 5 3, 5 4, 5 5, 5 6. Then again, Bhushan, can you tell me? From 6. 6 1, 6 2, 6 3, 6 4, 6 5 and double 6. Now count how many sample points are there. Now write your side. 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5 and 1 6. Then 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 2 4, 2 5, 2 6. 3 4, 3 5, 3 6, 4 1, 4 2, 4 3, 4 4, 4 5 and last one 4 6. Then from 5, 5 1, 5 2, 5 3, 5 4, 5 5, 5 6. From 6, 6 1, 6 2, 6 3, 6 4, 6 5, 6 6. And here bracket is complete. Now count how many sample points are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 6 are 36. And therefore n of s is equal to 36. This is the sample space. If two dice are rolled simultaneously, this is our simple and easy idea. Now see which events are given. Event A, sum of the digit on upper basis is multiple of 6. Event A, the sum of the digits, the digit on upper faces is multiple of 6. A is equal to, in bracket, the sum of the digit on the upper faces is multiple of 6. Here sum 1 plus 1 2. 2 is multiple of 6 or not? Not. 1 plus 2 3. 3 is not a multiple of 6. 1 plus 3 4. 4 is not a multiple of 6. 1 plus 5 6. 6 is a multiple of 6 and therefore our first sample point is 1 5. Give comma after each bracket. Give comma after each bracket. Then 2 4 multiple of 6. 3 3 sum of 3 3 is 6. This is multiple of 6 means 1 5 2 4 3 3 4 2 5 1 and 6 6 are the sample points which are multiple of 6 and therefore n of A is equal to 6. Then second event, the sum of the digits on the upper faces is minimum 10. The sum of the digits on the upper faces is minimum 10. One plus 1, 2, not a 10. Without which sample points we can write here? The sum of the upper faces is minimum 10. This is not minimum 10, this is not 3 plus 6, 9. 7, 8, 9, 10. This is minimum 10. Means 4, 6. Then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Minimum 10. 5 plus 5, 10. Then 5 plus 6, 11. More than 10. Because our condition is minimum 10. Then 6, 9, 10. This is also eligible. 11 is also eligible. And 6 plus 6, 12 is also minimum 10. More than 10 is we can write here. And therefore, these are the sample points in second event. You can write yourself. Then third event, the same digit. Event C is getting the same digit on the both upper faces. Same digit. 1, 1, same digit. 2, 2, same digit. 3, 3, same digit. 4, 4, same digit. 5, 5, same digit. And 6, 6, same digit are the sample points in event C. You can write these sample points in event C. Then complete this event B and C yourself. Very easy examples. Now we are going to see question number 3. Three coins are tossed simultaneously. Three coins are tossed simultaneously. The condition for event A to get at least 2 heads. Three coins are tossed. Sample space S is equal to H, H, H. Three coins are tossed at a time or one coin tossed with 3 times. Sample space will be same. See here, one idea. H, H, H. Now replace H by T. H, H, T. Now take this T in middle place. Means H, T, H. In short place, H, 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 T. Take this in middle place, H, T, H. On first place, T, H, H. H, H, H. Take last one 3, then middle T, then first T. Now take 3 times T. 10 turns up, 10 turns up, 10 turns up. Same, take H on third time. T, T, H. Take, replace this by H. T, H, T. And then first H, T, T. And now count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. sample points are H. How to write this? 3 coins are tossed, H, H, H. Now take T here, third times, then middle, then first. Now 3 times T. Take here H, then middle place, then first place. This is the idea. Then event A. Condition for event A. To get at least 2 heads. At least 2 heads means minimum 2 heads. मैक्सिमम कितना भी चलेगा लेकिन मिनिमम 2 हेड्स. मैक्सिमम 3 चलेगा लेकिन our condition will be at least 2 heads means minimum 2 heads. HHH, HHT, HTH, THH, मिनिमम 2 हेड्स, मैक्सिमम 2 भी चलेगा. 2 से ज्यादा भी चलेगा लेकिन कम नहीं चलेगा because their condition is at least 2 heads and therefore n of A is equal to 4. Then condition for event B. Condition for event B. To get no head. To get no head. Which is the sample points? There is no head. There is no head. Here is head, here is head, here is head, here is also head. Here is H, here is H, here is H. But this one, there is no head. T, 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 and n of B is equal to 1. Third one. Condition for event C. To get head on the second coin. To get head on the second coin मीन्स बीच में जो है ना सेकंड नंबर वाला उधर H होना चाहिए. H, H, no, H, no, no, H मीन्स H, H, A भी चलेगा, ये नहीं चलेगा. सेकंड पॉइंट पे T है, THH. Okay. How many sample points are there? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and this one also. Second point on H. THT. N of C is equal to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. This is the sample space and event. On the basis of sample space and event, if you can write sample space and event, then we can easily find probability. Only new point is how to find probability. Very easy. If you know how to write the sample space and event, then we can easily find probability. It is lies between 0 to 1. And our next period we will see their probability. Okay. Thank you.